Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you have been driving for Amazon Flex, you might have noticed a few issues lately. So many people have signed up for Amazon Flex and the rates these days are not as good as they used to be. That's why I want to share with you an alternative app which is Trexity. Trexity is a delivery app just like Amazon Flex, and in this you pick up batches and deliver packages, and it's really good if you are looking to earn some extra cash. Stay tuned with me to the end because I will show you how I deliver packages, how much I made after deducting all the expenses. So, what is Trexity? Trexity is a delivery services for small and medium-sized businesses in which they deliver packages to their clients. And as a driver, we work with them as independent contractors, which means all the expenses are on us, like gas, wear and tear, and taxes. I think both Trexity and Amazon Flex are really good options than other apps because while working for these gigs, we know in advance like how much we will be earning in 3 to 4 hours. But with other apps, we just hope for a good day, which I personally don't like. I don't like waiting for good orders and then go out and work. Instead, I will prefer Amazon and Trexity because in these apps, I'll be knowing how much I'll be making. A good thing about Trexity is that you get a notification 15 to 20 minutes before they put up the batches on their app. This gives you time to prepare and grab the best one. I just got a notification for Trexity. Now, I will show you how you can register for Trexity. As you can see in my phone recording, I'll open App Store and I'll look for Trexity driver app. It will look something like this and then you just download it. Now you'll click on sign up. You'll provide your details, first name, and just click this and then sign up. Okay, you'll receive verification email on your email ID. Okay, I'll check my email. Okay, my email has been verified. Once your email is verified, they'll ask you to take the photo just like this. I'm going to take the photo. After this, use this photo. After that, you'll provide your eligibility to work in Canada document. You can either select birth certificate, Canadian citizenship card, passport, permanent resident card, and work permit or study permit. After that, you'll upload the photo of that document and then you'll click Save Work Eligibility. After that, you will be asked to upload the documents of your vehicle like insurance and the photos of your car. Once you have uploaded all the documents and the photos of your car, just wait for the approval. And once you are approved, you are ready to drive. Now, I'll show you how the app looks like when the batches are available. I'll share the screen recording of my phone. First, open the Trexity app and then just click skip. And when you'll click on the start option here, the batches will show up like this. See, 43 kilometers, 57 kilometers, and the price is just on the side like this. From this list, you can select the batch of your choice, like which suits you better according to your delivery location. Once you confirm a batch, you will be assigned a route number, which will be shown on your app. Now, drive to the pickup location. The address of pickup location will be shown in your app. Once you are at the pickup location, an associate will help you in scanning and loading your car with the parcels. And once your car is loaded, you are good to drive. And the next instructions will be displayed on your app, like your first stop and your entire route, where you will be delivering the packages. Now, let's talk about the steps that you will follow while delivering the package. Once you are at the delivery location, scan the parcel With your Trexity app, there will be a QR code on the package. Just scan it and then take the package to the door and deliver it, and take 2 photos of the delivery and mark it as delivered. And once a delivery is completed, you'll move to next stop, which will be shown in your app. Some of your delivery stops are apartments. In that case, there is a catch, like you are not able to get inside the building and the customer is not responding. So in that case, what you will do? You will contact the support and ask for the instructions. Most of the times, like, they instruct us to deliver the package inside the building, but if it's not possible to get inside the building, they will ask you to deliver it outside the building and hide it somewhere where the customer can find it, and you have to take 2 photographs of that delivery. And in rare cases, you might have to return the parcel to the pickup location. Now, let's talk about the customer support of Trexity for drivers. I must say, they do have a support, but it's not the best as compared to Amazon Flex, because you can reach to them only through chat and there's no option to call them. But overall, they are quite responsive over the chat. Like, they respond very quickly, I must say that. Now, let's talk about the most interesting part: how much money you'll make. According to my opinion, the pay is based on number of packages and the distance that we have traveled to deliver the packages. These days, the pay is better as compared to Amazon Flex, and we are paid every Friday. And sometimes they even give bonuses for special requests. For example, one time I delivered a package, but the address was wrong from the client side, not from my side, from the client side. I had to go back and deliver it to the correct address, and in return to that, they paid me extra for the effort. But the approximate amount that you make is somewhere between $20 to $30 an hour. And in the end of this video, I'll show you a batch that I completed and how much I made after deducting all the expenses. Trexity is a new app and not so many people have joined it yet. That means there's less competition and the pay is slightly better than Amazon Flex. And one of the best part about Trexity is that you'll be knowing the route before you accept a batch. So you can choose the route that suits you best. Unlike Amazon, where you find the route while picking up the parcels from the warehouse. But currently there's one drawback of Trexity. The batches are available mostly on Thursdays, and on other days you might not get a batch at all. As the platform is expanding, so there might be more opportunities in the future. Sign up for the app and start delivering. That's all about Trexity. I think it's a great alternative to Amazon Flex here in Lower Mainland. Honestly, I love both of these side gigs, Amazon and Trexity, because you know in advance that how much you will be making after 3 or 4 hours. Now, let's see the footage where I was actually delivering the packages for Trexity. It was for $150. For this batch, I drove around 90 to 100 kilometers. I'll take $25 for the gas and another $25 for wear and tear and taxes. The total comes out to be around $100 after deducting $50, and I completed this batch in 4 hours. $100 divided by 4 comes out to be $25 an hour, which I think is a pretty decent amount for a side gig. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.